So in the previous section, we explored the R ecosystem. Now let us go ahead and install R. Right, so fire up a browser and go to rproject.org, which is the homepage of the R project. So the URL is r-project.org. Right. Now once you come to the homepage, on the left side you can see the link for download, which is CRAN or CRAN. Click on this. CRAN or CRAN basically stands for Comprehensive R Archive Network, and from here you can download R, and you can also download a lot of user contributed packages or libraries. Now CRAN mirrors are available in different countries. These are basically hosted by universities or research institutes, so you can just scroll down and select the mirror that is closest to your location, or you can come to the top and download from this link, which is sponsored by RStudio. So let us click here, and from this page we can download R for all the different operating systems, right? So the first one basically is for Linux, and you can install R for these different distributions: Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Scobac. And if you're using Mac, then you can click here and you can download the latest version of R, which is 3.5.1. Or like me, if you're using Windows, then you can click here, and if you're installing R for the first time, then you need to click this link, right? Install R for the first time. So I'm using a Windows system, so I'll click here, and you can see download R 3.5.1 for Windows, 62 megabytes, and available for both 32 and 64-bit machines, right? So click on this and you'll be able to download an executable file. Now save this file and run it. Use the default settings, don't change anything, and it will install R in your system. Now once you do that, I want you to go back here and also install R tools, right? So this will be useful if you are installing packages from places other than CRAN, right? So for example, a lot of R packages are made available in other places such as GitHub, and if you want to download a package from there and build it, then you will need R tools. So download this. You can download this one, which is good for the latest version of R, and you can install that as well, right? So once you do this, once you have downloaded and installed R, you can search for RGUI in your system. If it would have created a desktop shortcut or a quick search icon, so you can use that, and this is what you will be seeing, right? This is the user interface that you'll see when you have installed R. It shows the latest version, R version 3.5.1, and copyright of the R Foundation, right? So this can be used just like a calculator, right? Let's try this out. 2 plus 2, 4, 2 raised to 3, 6, right? You can create files, new files, and look for history, edit your code, and you can install packages, look for help. The thing is, we'll not be using this, but we'll use something known as RStudio, which is basically an integrated development environment, right? So if you're able to launch R and if you're able to see the screen, well, you're good to go. You'll be R is properly installed on your system and you'll be able to use it. In case you're having trouble installing or launching R, please reach out to us and we'll see how we can help you.